Hey, let me ask you something. Have you been feeling off lately? Your mind feels messy. Your heart heavy. And even after sleeping, you're still exhausted. It might not just be stress. It could be an energetic imbalance. In this meditation, I'll gently guide you through a chakra cleansing journey from root to crown to help release stuck emotions, restore clarity, and reconnect with your inner peace. Even if you've never meditated before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it. Think of it like a deep spiritual spring cleaning, a way to reset, to breathe, to come back to yourself. Before we begin, pause and reflect. Is there a feeling that's been weighing on you lately? Anxiety, sadness, emptiness? Feel free to share it in the comments. You're not alone. And your story may comfort someone else too. Ready? Let's begin. Let's begin at the base of your spine, your root chakra. This chakra is all about stability, safety, and feeling grounded in the present moment. If you've been feeling anxious, scattered, or unsafe, this is where it starts. So, close your eyes if you haven't already. Take a deep breath in and let it go slowly. Now imagine a warm, red light glowing at the base of your spine. With each breath, that light gets stronger, anchoring you to the earth, like roots growing deep into the ground. Say silently to yourself, I am safe. I am supported. I am grounded. Now we move a little higher to your sacral chakra, just below your belly button. This is your center of creativity, sensuality, and emotional expression. If you felt creatively blocked, numb, or disconnected from joy, this is where the energy needs to flow. Picture a glowing orange ball of light in your lower belly. With each breath, feel it spinning gently, loosening tight emotions, and opening up space for joy and passion. Say silently, I allow myself to feel. I allow myself to create. Now, bring your attention to your upper abdomen, your solar plexus chakra. This is your power center, where your confidence, motivation, and willpower live. If you've been doubting yourself or feeling stuck, let's light this fire. Visualize a golden yellow sun shining brightly in your stomach area. Feel the warmth, it's your inner strength awakening. Say silently, I am powerful. I trust myself. I take action. Let's bring awareness to your chest, your heart chakra. This is the home of love, compassion, forgiveness, and connection. If your heart feels closed off or heavy, let's soften it now. Picture a soft green light glowing in your chest. With every breath, it expands, opening your heart space. Without force. Just love. Say silently, I give and receive love freely. I am open to healing. Now we gently move upward, aligning your throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Your throat chakra helps you speak your truth. Your third eye chakra is your intuition, your inner wisdom, and your crown chakra connects you to something greater than yourself. Visualize a stream of light. Blue at the throat, indigo at the forehead, and violet at the crown. They align like a beam of energy rising through you. Breathe deeply and repeat silently. I express my truth. I trust my intuition. I am connected to the universe. Take one final deep breath. And just notice how you feel right now. Maybe it's a little lighter, a little clearer. Maybe, for the first time in a while, you feel like you. That's the magic of tuning into your energy. It doesn't erase your problems, but it helps you face them with more calm, clarity, and strength. So if this practice gave you even a little peace today, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more healing meditations like this. And hey, leave a comment and let me know which chakra felt most blocked for you today, and which one felt alive. You are not alone on this path. You're growing. You're healing. And that's something to be proud of. Until next time, stay grounded, stay open, and take care of your energy.